Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I spent years on the road as a power plant inspector, inspecting all kinds of industrial and environmental infrastructure. Now I'm happy to use what I learned to help you out with your purchases. Today we're checking out RENOGY One Core G3 version. Right now it's on sale, so I figured it'd be a good time to highlight this, and you can also use my promo code AdventureTech if you want to get an additional discount on top of that. You can use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So the RENOGY One Core G3 version. It is a cloud-based energy monitoring system. You can actually monitor your solar power kit anywhere in the world. 24/7 energy analysis on multiple devices, connect smart accessories from home automation, and it's very, very easy to install. You can streamline your energy with this all-in-one smart panel. You get off-grid energy monitoring and smart automation, which is going to help you save time, save money. You got energy data analysis. Energy efficiency is going to be at your fingertips. This is the kind of devices dedicated to off-gridders. RENOGY One Core helps you save money, reduce your carbon footprint by tracking energy generation and consumption. And once you know what you're doing with your power, you're going to be able to save a lot of money by using it more efficiently. And distance is not a problem. Remote energy monitoring in various scenarios is something that this can do. And it is very adaptable. As you can see right here, it is compatible with all these devices, but not limited to just these. A lot of the new products are also compatible as well. You got smart automation. You can make it a smart home. RENOGY One Core serves as a smart home hub as well, allowing you to connect your smart home appliances like door entry alert, climate sensors. You can enjoy the added convenience and security of this home automation. And it is really great, giving you peace of mind with 24/7 security. Detect unexpected motions occurring in your RV, keep you alert, informed of anything suspicious. There's all kinds of great things that you can hook up to this. And the installation is very effortless. All you gotta do is drill a hole. There's a built-in level in the mount so you can level this perfectly. Rotate, click, clack, and it's done. There you go. So right now it is on sale, plus you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. It is a really great item to have if you have RENOGY devices. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to this page, get a good deal while it lasts. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And you can subscribe to my channel completely for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over to these limited deals.